A group of the Seng Khasi from the Ram constituency through the MLA of the Ram, H.M. Shangpliang, today submitted a memorandum to appeal the state government to build the Seng Khasi halls as the existed halls has been damaged and the Seng Khasi could not afford to repair and reconstruct these halls. H.M. Shangpliang lauded the Minister of Arts and Culture, Sanbor Shulai, and said that the Seng Khasi were grateful for the opportunity to share their problems and difficulty, and they hope that the government will fulfill their needs. We have to support the Seng Khasi as they are the only organization that can still holds on to the cultural tradition and religion of the Khasi people, added Shangpliang. The Commissioner and Secretary of Arts and Culture has given his support and promises to visit and examine these areas where the halls are planning to build. Shangpliang also informed that Shulai could not attend the meeting as he was not in a good health. Frederick Roy Kharkongor, Commissioner and Secretary of Arts and Culture, S. Marak, Director of Arts and Culture, and other officers of Arts and Culture and other departments, and the leaders from the Seng Khasi of Ram constituency were present during the meeting today.
Ibadah kumba nyokli group na ki khat nyokli ki Seng apo Ram constituency kilawan ra banbu ya kador khas ban pan ki jingrap na kalian sokar ki jingrap na kalian sokar baki ki kwa kalong khambon kadai ban ai ya ke Seng Khasi hall Kidon ki hall ki balakwa, kidon ki hall ki balajat lapay kumalong nata. Kilakarpa ki kajikersan na kalian sokar. Banai ki kinjar conference hall, banai ki kinjar toilets, ki dressing room, ki green rooms, bantum lakete. Namarungi hanong pendong ki Seng Khasi jungi Shillong ki berkuat bor, bakim lah, bakim kersan, dalade, ban yo, ban Cina, ya kita kicik Cina, kibaran tu. Iso komen Cina na kalian ibasan bor sulai, terwa, ba in kersan na kalian jogi, ba na kalian soka. Badai halor kecik kot subhan jung ibasan bor sulai, Minister of Art and Culture. Bagini ki parlok ki badai na ki Seng Khasi apo ka constituency jongi na Ram kila poin pasti akan dicakap ban ye kendu ya minister ban ai hedi ya ki jingduna ki jingdon kam joki I government ba na kele sarkar ba na kele minister ba Sanbor Shulai kinle ya kepada balai nomor balai idon kam ban kersan ya ki Seng Khasi bagi dei stam kini ibala ban penne ya ka riti ka dustur ya kan nyam jong Khasi te nomor kata kumulong ni khamai ngaru kersan jur ya ki jingdon kam ban penne ya ka riti dustur Jongi Khasi. Nakalian Commissioner Secretary of Art and Culture, ilaong ba inlet kan bala kanle, banyarap, dah kawakha iki technical wing, marmar siya ka konstitusi dumi, banyagendo, ya kini kiseng di maker bala ai, ya kata ki dorkas mungkin, bal banglipek banjurit. Ya kijaka puta bat bunjo banpen ya kajaka bansina di plan bagi estimate nakalian cuma ngalabo kaji kepak kalian sokat ba idan sang pa arbonai bantre kam suaba kanwan ke code of conduct organize January ni kwa ba nakalian sokat kin pentenang bat kin sanction ya kini di project apo kata apo nambah kajing wan jo gini giri wan pa mutasi kanumlong ba syusape kanumlong ba syuwan kai sini Shillong banbu ya kini berkas